Hi, I am Adarsh. I was weighing around 90 kilos in the month of July 2021. Started this VRK diet on August 5th, 2021. After 2 months, I reduced to 79 kilos. I lost 11 kilos in 2 months, though I missed the diet for a few days. My wife lost 20 kilos in the same period as she did not miss the diet plan and followed the diet strictly. A lot of my colleagues, friends, relatives asked me about this diet. I prepared this PPT for those people. Let's go through this PPT. VRK diet was discovered by Veeramachini Ramakrishna. He did this diet himself and started sharing his opinion to others. He was recognized and awarded doctorate for his contribution towards the society. We personally experience this diet and sharing this now to you people. This diet not only reduces weight but also cures diseases like diabetes. There are four mandatory pillars which needs to be followed during this diet. First pillar is you have to consume 70 to 90 grams of fat every day. I recommend to use cold pressed coconut oil which will give the best results. Second pillar is you must consume at least 4 liters of water every day. And third pillar is that you have to consume at least 3 lemons a day. Lemons can be mixed with 2 spoons of curd and water and you can consume throughout the day. Here curd is mixed to reduce the sour taste of lemon. And fourth pillar is that you have to take 2 multivitamin tablets when you are following a liquid diet and 1 multivitamin tablet when you are following single meal or 2 meal diet plan. General rules to follow this diet are you should eat only when you are hungry. If you are consuming non-vegetarian, maximum 300 grams for male per day and 250 grams for female per day. Don't follow regular food timings. Diet is of three types: 1 meal diet, 2 meal diet, and liquid diet plan. If you are if you are of more obese, you can follow the liquid diet that are non-veg and veg soups and so on. For people with target of losing less weight, they better follow solid diet. Breaking from liquid diet requires you eat 10 badam nuts before eating anything solid. I don't know the logic behind this. After meal, if you feel hungry, drink any liquid items. If you feel tired, consume 10 grams of fat. You can have only one onion per day or one tomato per day or one carrot per day and you can have all vegetables except beetroot, potato, corn, raw banana, peas and all root veggies. I have mentioned the items allowed in this diet. You have to make recipes only from these items. And I have also mentioned items which are not allowed in this diet. Please strictly avoid these items. I have seen hundreds of people reducing weight and curing their diseases like diabetes. We tried and we also got the best result. Just a free advice, no money, no packages. Reduce the diet through the natural food available in your area. We'll be soon sharing the recipes made from the items followed in this diet. Thank you.